Today, I continue to find an air conditioner remote control for testing. Let's take a look at the difference in power consumption between the TV remote control tested last time. Now start it. Find a few buttons to press. Press the cooling button, press it several times, and press the button to adjust the wind speed repeatedly. So basically, after pressing the button, we pay attention to a parameter. The power consumption is about 62 microamps. Let's take a look at the waveform to make it easier to observe. After starting the software, you can see one data more clearly, which is the average standby current. In the overall statistics, we can see that the average value is 6.22 microamps. This value is larger than the standby current value of the TV remote control. It should be the difference in screen power consumption. Press the key operation just now again, and let's see if the waveform difference is big. We can see that the overall difference is not big. You can see the window of recent statistics. Because the data set is the first 5 seconds. You can see that the maximum value of these waveforms is about a 166 May. Let's do a standby test again. Put the remote control on standby for 10 minutes. And let's take a look at the power consumption. Okay. Now it has been on standby for about 12 minutes, and the power consumption display is 1.3 microamps. Calculating roughly based on 10 minutes. If two 1.5 volt batteries are put in, how long can it theoretically be on standby?